Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of onboarding process. My name is Tia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be going through how to clear your Google browser data or cache, right? Sometimes it is really useful to do so because you might be trying to kind of connect maybe to a website and you are running into some issues, and let's say there was an update and your browser cached it already and you are not able to see the update. How are you going to do? You need to know how to kind of clear your browser cache, right? And also, not only that, there are some stuff that you also need to understand. For instance, how can you do that? If you click on these three dots here, it is going to open this window. Within this window, let me first of all go to settings here and tell you some stuff here. In setting, you have something here called security and privacy, stuff like that. But we have something here called a search engine, right? With a search engine, if you can choose the default search engine that you want. Mine is Google. And some point, let's say sometime just want to switch maybe to Yahoo, where you tap your stuff, you're trying to tap Google here, and you see that your search engine here is Yahoo, right? How can you fix that? This is an easy fix, and this basically happened to me a lot in the past, and I was trying to figure out how to do that. Easy fix. Just go ahead here and make sure that you go to settings here and change your search engine to be Google and not Yahoo. Here, if you change this and go ahead and put Google and kind of click here, now you guys can see that my search engine now, it is what? It is Google. Now, let's also go in here and look for something that I know might help you guys here, which is in the setting. We have something like a password autofill, right? Here, I don't basically store any password like my payment information or my password through in Google. I kind of make sure that I disable this. Why? Because I use a password manager. As you guys can see, payment method, autofill, everything it is disabled on my end. No password is here. Why? Because I kind of use this tool here called 1Password, and 1Password allow me to kind of generate and store password in just one place, right? If you want to know how to use 1Password, please let me know in the description. Let me know in the comment below, and I'll go ahead and see if I can kind of cook up some video here and show you guys how to use 1Password, because this is really efficient. I've been using this for almost 7 years here, and I store all my critical information here. I store like all my password in here, and I remember just a very strong password. And as soon as I unlock this 1Password, I have access to all my password, and that is why I can't store any password within my Google browser, right? I can't do that, because when you do that, it's not secure. Somebody come in here and hit like trying to open your bank account, the password is there, the person can just log in your bank account if you are not there, which is not good. But if you have something like this, it's not really expensive. With 25, it's like a $30 per year, right? Not really expensive. It is really affordable, and a lot of companies basically use this out there to store their secret, and they will make sure that they don't use just 1Password every single day, because I know some of you guys have 1Password that you use to log in everywhere, which means if hacker basically lay his hand on that password, you are dead. He's going to access all your account, right? Which is not good. Now, how can you clear your browser data? Here you can see here clear browser data. Right here, I can see here last read. This is like 1 hour. If you want to clear it all the time, you can go ahead here and put all the time and you say clear data, right? Or last 24 hours. If you just want to clear for last 24 hours, you can put it here and you just hit clear, or 1 hour, you put it here and clear. But if you want to clear every single thing, you can put on all time and you hit clear, and this will go ahead and remove all cookies, remove every stuff that were cached here, right? And if you were having trouble to access a website, you will be fine when you clear your browser data. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment below, and also if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so that you will be notified when we publish a new video. Thank you. Bye-bye.